you have got to watch this because they have put me to the ultimate challenge. My daughters are very, very big at doing Lego. Now, this is something Alice, my oldest daughter, did. She's only 8. Look at the detail there. She said to me, Dad, did you realise there's grown-up Lego? And one of the grown-up Lego bits is actually making an orchid. What? An orchid out of Lego. I kid you not, look. I'm not sure where grey pieces are supposed to be, but these bags of Lego, apparently if you, look at that, assemble them, will make a perfect, beautiful orchid. A copy of the real thing. I don't know whether you think I might be able to do it or not, but I'm certainly going to put it to the test. I'm going to make it up, and then you tell me whether the real orchid or the artificial orchid looks the best. Well, there you have it. Phalaenopsis legolaria. It's actually not bad, is it? It's a bit of a challenge. It's almost as much fun building it as seeing it when it's complete. And I suppose from a distance, you may not know that some of the authenticity I like is some of the aerial roots popping out from there. And they're always green because they photosynthesize. Anything that engages and inspires from nature is always great. And if you have got your own Lego plants, make sure you've got some real ones as well, because they contribute to the house. They break down toxins in the air, produce fresh oxygen, and caring and looking after real plants nourishes the heart.